Hey there, I am so happy you're here with me today. Get ready because we are about to go on an awesome adventure to learn some super fun English words.
So are you ready to learn some magic words? I call them magic because they're super special. They tell us all about the amazing things we can do. They're called action words. Come on, let's go.
All right, first up, we're going to learn our new action words. Now, these are words that tell us what somebody is, well, doing. Pretty cool, right? Think of them as doing words.
Whoa, look at this guy. He's moving so fast. And look at that big smile. What do you think he's doing? He's running. Yep, our first action word is run.
Okay, here it is, our first word, run. Can you try saying that with me? Let's go. Run. Awesome. Let's say it one more time, nice and loud. Run. You got it. That was fantastic.
Okay, now what about this little guy? Ah, he looks so cozy and quiet in his bed. I bet he's having sweet dreams. The action he's doing is sleep.
Let's all say our new word together. Ready? Sleep. Go ahead. Say it out loud. Sleep. Great job. Yep, that's what we do every single night to get all our energy back.
All right, what's going on in this picture? Look at those fingers and numbers. Let's do it with them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are we doing? We're counting. The action is count.
Okay, it's your turn. Try saying the word count. Perfect. Now, can you count your own fingers? Let's do it together. Hold up your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? You are counting. That is excellent. Let's see what this girl is up to. She's putting her books and notebooks into her backpack. Looks like she's getting all ready for school. Now, the action for this is a little special. It's a two-part word. It's pack up.
Since this one has two parts, let's say it piece by piece. First, can you say pack? Good. Now say up. Perfect. Now let's squish them together. Pack up. You did it. Pack up just means you're putting your things away all nice and neat.
Wow, you are learning so fast. This is amazing. Okay, now for the really fun part. We're going to take our new action words and use them to build whole sentences. It's kind of like playing with building blocks. You ready to try?
Look at this picture. This boy is eating a yummy, crunchy apple. We can make a sentence about what he's doing. Let's read it together. I eat an apple. And our action word, our doing word, is eat.
And what's happening in this picture? Oh, he looks thirsty, doesn't he? So the sentence we can make is, I drink water. The action here is drink. We all do that every day. It's so important.
Oh, look at these two friends. They look like they're having a great chat.
A perfect sentence for this picture is, I talk to my friend. So our new action word here is talk.
And for our last one, check out these kids heading for the school bus. Let's read this sentence out loud. I walk to school. So the action is walk. See? All these action words help us tell a little story about what's happening.
All right, you have learned so many new words and sentences. You're doing great. So now, it's your turn to play. I'm going to give you a fun little challenge to show what you know. Are you ready? Let's do it.
Okay, look really close at this picture. Hey, I think we've seen this girl before. Do you remember the special two-part action word for what she's doing with her school bag? Take a second to think about it.
Did you guess? Pack up? Yes, that's it. You got it. She will pack up her bag. That is amazing. Go on, give yourself a big thumbs up. You earned it.
Okay, for this next challenge, you can't just sit there. It's time to get up and move. Everybody stand up. Can you show me what it looks like to run? Just run right where you are. You could even do it in front of a mirror to see how you look. Ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go, go, go. Awesome running.
You did such a wonderful job today. Seriously, great work. Before we go, let's do a super duper fast recap of all the awesome new action words we learned together.
Okay, let's say them all one last time. Ready? Here we go. Run, sleep, count, pack up, eat, drink, talk, and walk. Woohoo! You are an official action word superstar.
So, as you go about the rest of your day, I want you to think about all the actions you do. Will you walk somewhere? Will you eat a yummy snack? Maybe you'll talk to a friend. The cool part is, you now know the English words for all those things. Thank you so much for learning with me today. It was so much fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.